What's up, Viral Hawks family? We're back and ready to blow your mind with the wildest inventions hitting the scene. From jaw-dropping gadgets to future tech you didn't even know it existed. We've got it all. So, if you have grabbed your popcorn as we have, smash that subscribe button, ring the bell, and let's dive straight into the future. Let's go! Ready to have your mind blown? This is epic. This tireless robot harvests fruits and veggies around the clock, perfecting its skills to pick only the ripest, top quality produce every time. Kickstart your adventure effortlessly with drop tracks. They lift up to 165 pounds of your gear and can handle a total weight of 650 pounds, keeping everything steady and secure. Let's get fired up and ready to go. Tired of scraping ice off your windshield in the winter? With a little engineering and a kitchen lighter, you'll be all set. Joe XO is absolutely crushing it in warehouse automation. Their robots, Digit, Reflex, and Apollo, are literally propelling us into the future. After 50 years of progress, many have still been left behind until Wondercraft's personal exoskeleton came along and completely rewrote the rules. Just one glance at this fountain's enchanting magic, and you'll be completely hooked. Forget about jacks and those awkward pit dives. This portable lift is a total game changer for car enthusiasts. Meet the Spray Beetle, your new garden hero. It gets the job done 11 times faster than a regular sprayer, with each leg pitching in to help out. Super Godzilla is a colossal 3,300-pound beast, built on a Hitachi wheel motor, equipped with hydraulic shears that slice through concrete and metal like a hot knife through butter. The Flipcat is designed for serious athletes, but its winning advantage is that you can take it anywhere. It fits right in your truck. Transform your coffee into a stunning art piece with the latest edible links, yummy and creative. With a 105.6-gallon water capacity, fully autonomous wine spray coverage, advanced mapping, and slick handling, the Arbus 4000 Jab is the ultimate king of garden maintenance. If you're snorkeling or freediving, the Hexaray swim vest is your ultimate neoprene partner. With 3 air cushions and a lightning-fast coated cartridge, you'll be floating in seconds, no sweat and no danger. This is where the fun begins. The electric bobsled lets you experience speed like never before. It's super nimble and offers amazing drifts as you fly through the snow at speeds of up to 22 miles per hour. The M1150 ATV is a mind-clearing beast, boasting M1 Abrams tank DNA, providing the Marine Air Ground Task Force with serious breaching power on the go. When you're claiming your parking spot, don't just hit the snooze button. Get a garage to safeguard your wheels and keep them safe and sound. Imagine never having to stand in line. Sounds like a dream, right? Just kick back, read a book, or have a chat while the Pro Pilot chair holds your spot for you. It's that simple and stress-free. You've got to check this out. This massive regenerator for catalytic cracking transforms heavy, high-boiling components of crude oil into valuable products like gasoline and olefin gases. It's a game changer. Get real protection in a snap. Just activate safety and let the projection do the talking for you. Watch out, drones just leveled up. Now they can roll on land as well, making them perfect for reconnaissance missions. Nope. Your eyes aren't deceiving you. This phone expands on the spot for a bigger, better view. It's a mind-blowing device. As wild as it may seem, snowmobiles like this one are incredibly handy in the freezing Siberian cold. Send a kiss to your loved one from miles away with Kissinger. It reads your lip pressure and delivers the magic of your affection. The Defender e-bike is your ultimate adventure companion. With 3 powerful motors and custom wheels, it's ready for serious action. Imagine cruising for 112 miles on a single charge at 15 miles per hour, all while carrying up to 550 pounds of your gear and passengers. Get ready to tackle any terrain with confidence. Brace yourselves for something epic. Introducing the first ever morphing wheel for wheelchairs from the Korea Institute of Machinery. It flexes like a drop of liquid, making navigating stairs and rocks a total breeze. The R150 has your fields covered. With its 26-gallon tank, it tackles the roughest terrain while spraying a slick 12 acres per hour. Toyota's human support robot is designed to empower those with mobility challenges. It fetches items, controls household devices, and simplifies daily tasks effortlessly, all while being super easy to operate. Check out the Amazon warehouse, featuring all the produce robots, where packages zoom out the door in record time. Can you handle this? Everyone will want this bracelet. It's possibly the tiniest drone in the world. No need to splurge on an expensive new TV to triple your screen size. Just grab this canvas for top-notch visuals in your room. Remember Captain America's indestructible shield? Well, it's got a challenger now. Building a waterway like this typically takes a month, but with this inflatable fabric formwork, it's done in just 2 days. Simply puff it up like a balloon and fill it with concrete. This futuristic ride has your back when it's time to haul the boat smooth and easy every time. That was an absolutely insane, right? Hit up the comments and share your answer to this crucial question. If you could only keep one high-tech device for the rest of your life, what would it be? Don't forget to smash that like button, and we'll catch you later.